Do a cover to Pray For You by Jaron? Yeah, Jaron. Since I don't remember when things were going great till they fell apart again. So I listen to the teacher, says he tells me what to do. He says you can't go hating others who have done wrong to you. Sometimes we get angry, but we must not condemn. Let the good Lord do his job, and you just pray for them. Pray your brakes go out, running down the hill. I pray a flower pot falls from a windowsill and knocks you in the head like I like to. Your birthday comes and nobody calls. I pray you're flying high when your engine stalls. I pray all your dreams never come true. So wherever you are, honey, I pray for you. That I found my way to church. I've always living better, and I thank God for his word. I'll take the high road and do what the preacher told me to do. You keep messing up, and I'll keep praying for you. I pray a tire blows out at 110, or you pass out drunk with your best friend and wake up with his and her tattoos. The brakes go out and down a hill. I play a flower pot falls from a windowsill and knocks you in the head like I like to. When your birthday comes and nobody calls, I'll play you flying high when your engine stalls. I'll pray all your dreams never come true. Just know wherever you are, you fall in the house or in your car, where you are, I pray for you.